Hello everyone, welcome to ACE online class and this is Narendra. So today we will discuss the mixture and alligation chapter. The mixture and alligation itself is a chapter and then we will get the questions, the concept application of it on the simple interest, compound interest, time and distance and many other chapters. Let's start here. So the very first question, the two vessels contains the mixture of milk and water. Okay, this is a very common pattern for these questions. The ratio of the milk and water is in the ratio of 4:3 in the first vessel and 5:6 in the second vessel. In what ratio should these two be mixed such that the resultant mixture, the milk and water, should be in the ratio of 6:5? So let's start answering the question. Before I answer the question, I will give 15 seconds for you to think about this question. Come on, my friends. And then I will discuss this question. Come on. I am watching your comment. Let's come on if you get the answer. Please your answer. That's over. 15 seconds. Now I will answer it. So I noticed that here in the first case the water is 4 parts out of the total 7 parts. So I will take the 4 parts out of 7 parts in the left hand side. And in the second case the water is 5 parts. Is the water? No, milk. The milk is 5 parts out of 11 parts. So this is 5/11. And when these two are mixed, so what we get over here is a 6:5. So that means 6 parts out of 11 parts, 6/11. Now you know the alligation mixture method. This cross difference will give us the ratio. So let's take the difference over here. Come on, my friends. So here 5/11 minus 6/11. I know that this is 1/11. And then this part is the 77 is your LCM. And then with this 7, 6, 42 and 44, so 2/7, and as it gets cancelled 7 times, so 7 will come over here. I get this as 7:2. 7:2. Do we have any option 7:2? Yeah, that's right, option A. That's good. Mr. Aman, very good morning. Option A, my friend Aman. It's A. Okay, the next question here. Now it's for you. Look at the question. Two vessels M and N contains the milk solution in which the milk and water are in the ratio of 5:4. Similar type of question. So here it says it is in the ratio of 5:4 and in the second one 2:7. In what ratio should the solution in both the vessels be mixed to get the mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 13:14? Come on, answer the question. I give the 15 seconds to you, then I will answer it. Come on, my friend Aman. I'm sure you will be able to answer the question. 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. 1 more second. Done. Done. Now I'll answer this question. So this is 5 parts out of 5 plus 4, 9 parts. And here this 2 parts out of 9 parts. That's 2/9. And then the next one, the overall I need the 13 parts out of 13 plus 14, that is 27. So this is 13/27. So if I multiply these two, there are multiple ways you can do it. If I multiply these two by 3/3, then in denominator you get 27. If you multiply this by 3/3, in denominator you get 27. Here also 27, you can eliminate the denominator. So I see that this is 15 and this is 2, 3 is 6. And here this is 6 and 13. The difference is The difference is 7 over here. And this 13 and 17, the difference is 2 over here. My answer is 7:2 once again. Right? I do have an option D. Yeah, that's right, Sai. Arey wow, Sai. Very good morning, Sai. Very good morning. Okay, so the ratio is 7:3. Well done. The next question. Come on, what is this next question is all about? A sum of rupees 693 is collected the donation from boys and girls in a class whose strength is 45. So the total number of boys and girls 45. The total amount collected is this money. If each boy contributes rupees 15 and each girl contributes rupees 16, find the number of girls in the class. Here also we apply the alligation mixture method. Okay, I will give the 15 seconds for you and try this. Then I will come back to you. Sai, very, very good morning, my young friend. Aman is so nice. Okay, come on. One more second. Now I will answer the question. Here, what is the average amount? Total amount collected is 693. And whereas Mr. Sai and Mr. Aman, that is the total number of students are 45. So you divide it, you find that with 45 it goes one time, sir. Is that? That's right. So I will be left with 4 over here and 2 over here, and with 45 will it go how many times, sir? That's 94 times, 5 times. Yes, it goes 5 times. So I will take this as 5 times, and the 5 times is 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 4 20 plus 2 is 22. That's 5 times over here. If I take the difference, I get 18, and the 18 divided by 45, 180 divided by 45, and which comes 4. Is that anyone answer the question? That is 15.4. Yes, right, Sai. So once I get the middle value, Sai, so what I am going to do, you take the boys. So each boys contributes 15 rupees and each girls contributes rupees 16, and each student is 15.4. Take the difference over here 0.6 Aman, and take the difference over here 0.4, and the ratio is 3:2, and this ratio is the number of boys to number of girls. Right? Yeah. Well done, well done. So now can you answer the question? Your question is, what is the number of girls in the class? So this is number of girls in the class is 2 parts out of the total 5 parts of the student. I am sure you can answer the question. Arey wow, you get the calculation, Sai. Hats up to you, hats up to you. Now the number of girls, the total number of student is 45. And out of 45, the number of girls are 2. Out of 2 plus 3, which is 5, Mr. Sai. And I can see that is 9. And 9 to 18, option D. That's right, that's right. Arey wow, Anusha, very good morning. Anusha, very good morning. Very good morning. Hope it is clear. Now I will give another question, the application part of the alligation mixture over here. Now it says a person invests rupees 15,000 in 2 schemes for 3 years. Okay, 2 schemes, 15,000 for 3 years. Now, both the schemes offer simple interest at the rate of 10% and 12% per annum. Okay, now find the sum invested at 12% per annum if he gets the total interest of rupees 5,040. Now what I do is, you understand the question. I will give 15 seconds for you to understand it. What is the question? Find out the overall percentage, Then you have the lower percentage, you have the higher percentage. You can get it, my friend. Oh, over 15 seconds. Wow. Now, that is, what is this 5040 is what percentage of 15,000? Can I get this part? Yes, my friends, Mr. Aman and Sai and Anusha, we can get this one. Then this is, if you cancel these zeros, these 3 zeros gets cancelled, and with 15, and 15 3 is 45. 45 I left with 5. Again 15 3 is 45, and I left with 9. So 15 8. So that comes 33 point 15 6 is 90. Okay. So 15 6 90 Sai. This is overall percentage interest. Now here it says that 10% per annum for how many years? 3 years. 10 into 3 is 30. So one rate of interest I get here is 30. The other one is 12% per annum for 3 years. 12 into 3 is 30 Sai. 12 into 3 is 36. So take the 36 over here. And what is this part? This part is the overall interest. So this is lower, this is higher, and the mean is 33.6. Take the difference, that will give you the ratio of the sum. Ratio of the sum. Aman has answered the question 8,000. Shall I check the answer? Oof, no, Mr. Aman. I think 9,000, or probably I made a mistake of choosing the option. Let's check this one. So now when I take the difference here, that comes 2.6, and when I take the difference, Mr. Aman, over here, that 3.6, and the ratio is clearly visible. That is 2.4, not 2.6. It is 2.4. So let's move on. 2.4. I can clearly see that it is 2:3, Mr. Aman. But I will check that whether 9 or 8,000. So 2:3. The total sum is 15,000. So I need to find out, find the investment at 12% per annum. Which one is at 12% per annum? Second one. That means I need the three parts. So let's calculate the three parts. We have the 15,000 over here. Now 15 into 3, out of how many parts? 3 plus 2, which is 5. And 5 into 3, 3,000. 3 into 3 is 9,000, my dear friend Aman. So my answer is 9,000. Arey wah, Anusha. Sai, do you agree, my friend? Come on, Sai, are you agree? The answer is 9,000. Okay. Now the next question. Here. Now this is again the application of the mixture and alligation concept. Here it says a person purchased a sofa set and dining table for rupees 16,000, Mr. Sai. Now he makes a profit of 15% on the sofa set and the profit of 22% on dining table, Mr. Sai. He makes an overall profit of 19.9%. Find the cost price of sofa set. We can answer the question here. So I will get the 15 seconds for you to understand the question and develop the thought pattern how to answer it. Come on. Anusha, you can also try, my friend. All my young friends, Sai, you can try it. Sai, you wrote the whole calculation there. Okay, hats up to you, sir. Over, 15 seconds is over. Now, let's find it out. Now, here he gets a profit of 15% on the sofa set. Let's write down SS sofa set. Here he gets 15% profit. And the other one is the dining table DT. He gets 22% profit. Overall, he gets a profit of 19.9%. These all are the very basic question, but we know that we are discussing the SSC CGL Tier 1 point of view. So this is what the basic. Now when you take the difference, then you find that this is 2.1 over here. Now when you take the difference over here, 4.9 Sai here, and Aman, आप देखिए सर यहाँ पे this is 3 and this is 7, 3:7 आ रहा है Aman. So with 7 3 times and 7 times. So the cost out of the total cost price, the 3 part is the sofa set and the 7 part is the dining table. I need to find out the cost price of sofa set. So that means I need to find out 3 part out of 10 parts. So what is the total price? That is 16,000. Out of 16,000, I need 3 parts out of given 10 parts. So you know that 16,3 is 48,000. So option D. That's right. Arey wah. Sai, my friend, it's 4,800. Thank you very much, Sai, for joining the class. You will definitely learn something. Ask Aman, Anusha, these people have reached to a certain level. Okay, that's good. Mr. Aman, rocked it. Next question. Chaliye. While you are spending your valuable Sunday time with me, let's make some useful output of it. From and 500 ml of pure milk, 10% of the milk is removed and replaced with water. Again, 10% of the solution is replaced with water. Now the question is, what is the ratio of milk and water in the final solution? Now, I will get the 15 seconds for you to think. Come on. Think, my friend. 8 more seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, now I will explain it. I'll explain it. So here use this formula. The final concentration is equal to A into A minus X by A. 1 minute. So A minus X by A. So we can use this formula. Keep some formulas ready for yourself. Whereas A is the initial quantity, the X is the quantity replaced. So what is the initial quantity? The initial quantity is 500. So let's take this as an 500 over here, and into the 10% is taken out, 90% is left. So this is 100% minus 10%, 90. So this is 90, and the total is always 100%. So 100 to the whole power, how much? How many times it is done? Replace with again. That means it is done 2 times. So my n is 2 over here. Now, which is equal to, that's all. So this is the value I need to find it out. Now I notice that this gets cancelled over here. So this is 500 into 9 square is 81 and followed by 1000. So your answer should be, that's zeros gets cancelled, 515 and 58 40. So this is 405 out of 500. 405 is the quantity left. Now that is the pure milk left. So how much is the water? The remaining part is the water. So if you want to find out the ratio, this is one way to find out the ratio, and that is look at this one. This is 405 is your milk, and 500 minus 405, that is 95, and with 5 this gets cancelled. With 5 this number gets cancelled here. This is 81 and this is 90. So your answer is 81 is to 90. 19. Okay, option C. Okay, Sai option C, Anusha option C, Aman option C. Let's check that the option C is correct. That's right. That's right. But do we need to find get this 500 into picture? No need, because I need to find out the ratio. So when I need to find out the ratio, shall I take the alternate method to answer the question? So I will erase this one, and erasing all the ink part. So only look at this one, the 10% is taken out, 100 minus 10, that is 90, and 90 by 100 is nothing but 9 by 10. So make the square, because 2 times this is. So this is 81 out of 100. So what is this 81 out of 100? If this is a mixture, this is a milk. So if this is a milk, then what will be the water? So 100 minus 81, that is 19. So 19 will be the water. Milk to water is 81 is to 19. That's what Sai. Okay. That's what Aman. Anusha madam. Next one. Get ready. Now it's for you, similar type of question. And I'll give the 15 seconds after reading the question. Now it says there is a container with 144 liter of pure milk. 1/4 of the milk is extracted, removed, and replaced with water. Now again here 1/3 of the mixture is extracted. 1/3. So in the previous case it is 10%, again 10%. The same quantity. But when you come over here, in the first case 1/4 is replaced, and after that 1/3 is replaced, and the equal amount of water is added. What is the ratio of the water to milk in the final mixture? Think of it. 15 seconds for thinking, and then we together will answer the question. Come on, come on, come on, my friends. I'm sure you will be able to answer the question. Okay. Over. 15 seconds is over. Now you know I have nothing to do with this value, because it is asked about the ratio. Now what I do here? So if the initial value is 1, so 1/4 is taken out, then I will be left with 3/4, and then 1/3 is taken out, then I will be left with 2/3. Even you don't need to write down this part also in order to get the ratio. Come on, Aman, I know you can answer the question. You are very dynamic boy. So this gets cancelled and this gets cancelled. So 1/2. So what is this one? This one is milk. and or milk or what? Milk. And what is these two? The two is the total mixture. So what is the ratio of milk and water? Out of 2, if 1 is milk, the remaining 1 will be water. The ratio is 1:1. Okay, Aman says C. No, my brother, it's A. It's A. Okay. Not to worry, you are learning. You are learning here, sir. That's good. So, the next question here, the 5A and 5B, similar type of questions. Moving to the next question. Come on here, question number 6, sir. And what is this? The quantities of milk and water in 3 mixtures are in the ratio of 5:3, 5:1 and 7:5. Respectively. If the mixtures are mixed in the ratio of 4:3:2, then what will be the ratio of the milk and water? Most important question. The most important question for the all competitive exams. So I will give 15 seconds for you to think of it. Come on, my friends. TQ said provided best concept. Okay, Sai, I will definitely do it. I'll definitely do it. Just get prepared for prelim now. Though over. Okay. Now come to this question part now. How do I answer the question? Here it is 4 part. Out of 4 part, the 5 part is in a 4x. The 5 part is milk. Is it milk and water? 5 part is milk and 2 part is water. So what I do is, I will write down the milk over here. Right? And water, because I finally have to find out the ratio. I will write down the water over here, Sai, Aman, Anusha. Okay, so how do I get this one? So initially we have this 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, how much is the milk? The milk is 5 out of 8. So 5/8. So this 4 part, how much is water? 3 part out of 8 part. Okay, now add from the second can. And here the second can, the total quantity is 3. So out of 3, how much is milk? So this is what? 5 part out of 6 part. So 5/6 is the milk. And what is the water? So this is 3 into 1/6 is the water. And the last quantity here, and add up that part also. So here it is 2 into, how much is the milk here? So here I can say 7 parts out of 12 parts. So 7/12. And what about here? The same 2 will come over here. And the 5 part out of 12 parts. So 5/12. Now by adding this, I will get the required ratio. So let's do it together. How do I get this one? This gets cancelled 2 times. This gets cancelled 2 times. This is 6 times. So is the case over 2 times over here. This is 2 times over here. 6 times over here. I can see that the LCM of these numbers are 6. Then 3, 5 is 15 plus that is 3. 3, 5 is 15 plus 7 and is 2. Here the LCM is 6 and then with 2, 3. 3, 3, 9 and plus 2, 3 and plus that comes how much? 5. So as in numerator and denominator, so as these values are common, eliminate this in order to get the ratio. Aman, Sai, so I get this as 37 over here and I get this how much? 17 over here. This should be my answer. So anyone answer the question? Anyone? That comes 37 is to 17. That's right. That's right. Well done, Sai. Well done, Aman. Well done, Anusha. Okay, that's great. Next question. Here, that is 7. So we have the 4 questions on this type. A solution of 16 liters of milk and water contains 20% water. Fine. How much water should be added to this to make the solution 40% water? Very important question for prelim exam. 15 seconds to think for, and if you can answer it. Come on. Sai, come on, answer the question. And ask one question every day to me, my friend. Over. 15 second is over. Okay, fine. So here we are working out on this 20% water is here. So here 20% water, contain 20% water. Okay, how much water is to be added? So this is your mixture. Here 20% water is there. Here you have to add the water. What percentage water is there in water? In water 100% water is there. When these two are mixed up, what should be the percentage of water? 40% should be the percentage of water. The cross difference will give us the ratio of mixture to water. So take the cross difference over here. This is 60 and here this is 20, that is 3:1. Okay, so that's 3:1. Now that means if the mixture is already known to us, that is 60 liters. So when 3 part is 60 liters, then what is 1 part? It should be 20 liters, and your option choice C. That's right, Sai. That's right. That's right, Sai. Doing well. Doing well, Sai. Okay. Hope everyone understanding it. So now let's go to the next question. That will be the 7B. Answer it. Aman? Chaliye, answer kijiye 7B. And what is the question here? The question says, how many liters of 78% concentration dye solution should be mixed with 24 liters of 64% of concentration dye solution to get the solution 70% dye solution? So it's a very basic question. Can I give 15 seconds to you? Come on, my friends. Come on, come on. I'm sure you will be able to answer. 7 more seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now I will answer this. Here, it says that 78% concentration. How many liters? How many liters of 78% concentration should be added to 24 liters of what percentage concentration? 64% concentration, so that the total should be, the average should be 72. So take the difference. Here it is 6 and here it is 8. 3:4, Mr. Sai. And I already know this part is 24, then what will be 3 parts? When 4 part is 24, 1 part is 6, then 3 part will be 18. So this should be 18. Option choice? No, no, no. This is 6, 4 is 24, right? Acha, what is this 24 liter mixed with a 24 liter of 64%? Okay, so if this is 64%, the first one is 78%, the overall this one, so this is 6 and this is 8, 3:4, then I think it should be 18 liters, sir. Will it be 18 liters? Will it be 18 liters? Come on. Okay, it should be 18 liters. Ignore the option. There is a mistake over here because I know that the 4 part is 24. So that 1 part is 6. 6, 4 is 24. So 1 part is 6. Then what is 3 parts? So 3, 6 is 18. 18 should be the answer. And I am sorry for not putting the right answer here. Moving next question. So we are on 7B. Let's go to 7C. Come on. It's for you, my friends. It's for you. A mixture contains the milk and water in the ratio of 5:2. Another mixture contains the milk and water in the ratio of 3:7. Okay. How many liters of the latter means second one, be mixed with 6 liter of the former, 6 liter from the first one? So mixed so that in the quantity is equal. That means the milk and water should be equal 1:1 in the mixture. So here is your 15 seconds to think of it. Come on. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time up. Okay, let's work out. Let's work out here. Sai, look at this one. So the first one, I don't know how many liters. Second one, how many liters. And here it is already said that 6 liter of the former, the previous one. So this value is already given to us. And here, what is the milk by total? So in this case, the milk by total is 5/7. And what is in the second case, milk by total? The milk by total amount is 3 part out of 10 parts. And these two should be mixed in such a way that they are equal. So they are equal means it should be 1/2. So the milk should be 1 part out of 2 parts. 1 part out of the total 2 parts. That means 1 part milk, 1 part water. So the milk is 1 part, or the total Anusha is 2 parts. So I will take the difference over here and the difference over here. So let's take the difference. My LCM will be 10, and here it is 5, 5, 3, that is 2. 2/10, and here my LCM is 14, and here that's 2, 5, 10, and minus this is 7 into 1, 7, so that's 3. So let's take over here, it is 3. Now I'll cancel this part. Here it is 5, and here it is 7, and 7 to 14, and 5, 3 is 15. So am I getting this 14/15? Is this a ratio, my friends? 14/15. Okay. I'm checking your comment also. Now 18. Yeah, Sumit Pawar. Very good morning, Sumit Pawar. आपका is Sunday is a special appearance of yours. Thank you for joining, Sumit Pawar. So now here, what I already know is this 14 parts. सुमित देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये 14 पार्ट्स हमें ऑलरेडी मालूम है, दैट इज 6. सो व्हाट आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट, आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट 15 पार्ट्स. So how do I get it? This one is the 6 parts. My requirement is 15. The given 6 part is 14 parts. That's over, my friend Sumit. And the Sai, answer the question here. Answer the question. So this is 3 times with 2, 3 times, 7 times, then 45/7. So 45/7, option A. Option A. किसने किया आंसर? Anusha, that's right, Anusha. That's right. That's right. Well done, well done. Sumiji, Sai, where are you, Sai? Okay, similar question I'll give it. The previously we discussed this type of question. Hope you are understanding it. 1 घंटे हम लोग Sunday every day practice करेंगे quant का. Now, the next one, there's also for you. Okay, what is this question is? A cask completely filled with 30% of alcohol. Now, 20 liters of the solution is withdrawn and replaced with water. So we are understanding that there is a cask where here it is 30% alcohol is there. You have taken out how much? 20 liters you have taken out and you replace this by water. The same 20 liters of water you replaced it. Okay. Now the next one, it says if the concentration now is 24. After this replacement, the concentration is become 24% from 30%. Then what is the capacity of the cask? Chaliye. So 15 seconds, take that 15 seconds to think of it. Then we will answer it. Then we will answer it, my young friends. Come on. Come on, come on. (20-liter solution is taken out. Oh, over. Now, we will answer the question now. So, what we are understanding is, in the previously 30%, I will erase this part. So 30% alcohol solution is there. So this is what the 30% alcohol solution, and you have taken out 20 liters from here, 20 liters, and in 20 liters You pour the 20 liter of water. In this 20 liter of water which you have poured, what percentage water is there? Here you have 100% water is there. Am I right? Acha, here I have taken the alcohol. When I have taken the alcohol here, I should take the alcohol here. And in the water there is no alcohol. So let's take this one. Then this is 0%. Aman, Sai and Sumit power. So 0% over here. I don't know how many liter is there here. That is what the question mark is. Then you pour the 20 liters of water, 0% alcohol. And then after the mixture, it's become 24%. Hope it is clear to all my friends, including Anusha. Now, I'll take the cross reference and then I'll get the ratio over here. Let's work out here. And this is 24 and this is 6 and I get this 6, 4, 24, 4:1. That's over, my friends. Here if one part is 20 liters, then 4 part is how much? 80 liters. Do we have any option 80 liters? So here it is 80 liters and here it is 20 liters. The sum is 100 liters. Check your answer here. 100 liters. Answer the question option B. That's nice. So nice, Anusha. Well done. Well done. Sumit ji, क्या agree हैं आप? Answer is 100 liters. हाँ. अरे भैया थोड़ा सा छोटे भाई थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्ड तो कर दो. हाँ चलिए. So I am getting here. So let me erase this part. Right. So okay. Now you notice over here is that this is one part is 20 liters. Mr. Sumit, then 4 part will be 80 liters. The sum of this is 100. The capacity of the cask is 100 liters. चलिए next question को चलते हैं. Now here is the next question, question number 9. What is this question? In 48 liter of water and 40 liters of juice is mixed and then 50% of the mixture is taken out. And then a liter of juice is added again. And the ratio of water to that of juice become 6:7. Find the value of A. चलिए सोचने के लिए 15 सेकेंड देते हैं. For to think I am giving 15 seconds to you. Come on. One, zero. Time up. Okay. Let's answer the question. So look at this one. This is 48 liters. 50% is taken out. So I left with 24 liters. So 24 liters of water is there. What about the juice, my friends? 40 liters, 50% is taken out. Therefore, the juice will be 20 liters. And it is said that the a liter of juice is added. So you are adding the a liter juice and the ratio of water to that of juice 6 and 7. Water to that of juice. That means so nicely it is given 24 by 20 plus A, which is equal to 6:7. You are asked to find out what is A. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Aman, you says 10 liters. Let's check the answer, Mr. Aman. Oh, wow. It's 8. It's 8, Aman. But let's still check this one. Still check this one. So that is this gets cancelled 4 times, Aman. 6, 4, 24, 7, 4 is 28. So 28 is equal to 20 plus A. Therefore A is equal to 8 liters, my young brother Aman. Aman ji, yes, 8 liters. I know, Aman sir. Please confirm. Am I right? Okay. So I'll move on to the next question. Here. Chaliye, Sai, doing well, sir. Keep it up. There are 2 mixtures such that they contain 60% milk and 55% milk. Now, some amount of the first mixture is mixed with twice the amount of second mixture. Then Anusha, look at this one. Find the percentage of milk in the resultant mixture. चलिए सुमित भाई आंसर कीजिए. Sumit Pawar ji, 15 seconds to think of it. And then I will answer the question. Sai, doing well, sir. From which state, Sai? From which state are you? Oh, 15 seconds is over. Okay, now, so here what I noticed is 55%. Any comment? Any comment? Okay. So the best way to answer the questions like this, I will go with the very straight method, not the two methods. The first basic method followed by speed maths. No, I will directly go with the direct method. Here it is 60% and here it is 55%. Okay, that is 60% and this is 55%. And in what ratio you are mixing them? So some amount of the first one is mixed with twice the second type. So if you are taking this is 2 parts. So whenever the situation like this is concerned, we can use the concept of average, weighted average concept. Weighted average concept. If you don't know what is average concept, please don't miss my average class. Right, my friends? So here, this is 60 into 1 is 60 plus 55 into 2 is 110 divided by 1 plus 2 which is 3, 170 by 3, and that gives us that is 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18 and 6 7 56.67. Option B. Option B. Oh wow, Sumit Pawar. Pawar ji, पूरे महाराष्ट्र आप रूल करते हो. That's good, that's good. Sai, do you agree with Mr. Sumit Pawar? Anusha? Aman? Okay, moving to next question. Here 10B, similar type of questions, I will give it for you to answer it. Now, there are two solutions, A and B, wine and water. Now, the concentration of wine in A and B is 0.25 and 0.75. Very commonly asked question, this one. Now, if 4 liters of A is mixed with 6 liters of B, find the concentration of wine in the solution. You will get it. Similar to the previous question. And 15 seconds for you to think, my friend. Come on, come on. 10 more minutes are there. Sunday, it's a very valuable time for you. You are sharing with me. Come on, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and time up. How? Answer it now. Okay, time up. So here this is 0.25 is nothing but Sai 25% and Sumit ji, Sumit Pawar sir, 75%, 0.75. Now, finally, what I need, that is you are taking the mixture A 6 times that of B. Now, 4 liters, if 4 liters of A is mixed with 6 liters of B. So, what is the 4 liters and 6 liters ratio? 2:3. So, use that ratio, 2:3. Now, 25 into 2, which is 50 Sumit, and here 75 into 3, which is 225. Add this part and divide it by 2 plus 3, which is 5. And I notice that with 5 this gets cancelled 10 times and this gets okay. Instead of that, why not adding these 2 and divide? चलिए सर ऐसे करते हैं 275. Okay, 275 divided by 5 is your answer. So here is 5 is 25 and 5 is 25%. A, I can write down this as 0.05. Your option choice is A. Am I right? Okay, that's good, that's good. Option A, Aman. Sai from which state? Not option C, my friend. It is A. Anusha, well done, Anusha. Now the next question. Are you ready? Here. What is the question? Let's read it out. In 80 liter of the pure milk, 80 liter of the pure milk, 25 liters of water is mixed. And 1/5 of the mixture is taken out. 25 liter of water is mixed and 1/5 of the mixture is taken out. When X liter of water is added again, X liter water of the water to that of the milk, so water to milk ratio is 1:2. Please remember the term. It is saying that water to milk. So the water is 1 part and the milk is 2 part. What is the value of X? Shall I give you 15 seconds to think of it? Chaliye sir. Think of it for 15 seconds. You know how much is milk? 80 liters. 0 over. Time up. Now, you know the milk is 80 liters. And you know that's 25 liters of water. Water is 25 liters. These two are mixed. 1/5 of the mixture is taken out. When you take out 1/5 of the mixture, so how much part it will go out? 1/5 of 18, that is 16, and 1/5 of 25, which is 5, and then I get this as a 64, 71, 80, and this is 20. This is what is left. Now it is said the X liter of water is added. You are adding the water X liter here, Aman. Then the ratio of milk, water to milk is a 1:2. Water to milk. Water is 1 part and the milk is 2 part. This is what the question, my friend. Then Anusha madam, answer kijiye. So I know that this part that is 64 by 20 plus X. Let's write down over here 64 by 20 plus X is equal to 2 by 1, which is nothing but 1. So as this gets cancelled over here, that is 32, and 20 plus X is equal to 32, X is equal to 12. So I get the X is 12. My option is C. Hope you are understanding it. Okay, that's good, my friend. So it's 12. Sai, that's right. Pawar ji. Sarat Pawar के बाद में सुमित पवार ही आते हैं महाराष्ट्र में. That's right, Anusha. That's right. Next question. Come on here. What is that? A drum contains a mixture of milk and water in the ratio of. Sai, I was requesting you to tell me from which state are you, my friend? Are you from Andhra, Telangana? ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఉన్నావు నువ్వు? కొద్దిగా కామెంట్లో రాసే brother. So let's say that a drum contains a mixture of milk and water, Sai, in the ratio of 22:8. Okay, 22:8 की मैं ఎలా చదవచ్చు? That is 11:4. No, हम लोग 11:4 पढ़ सकते हैं इससे. So 60 liter of mixture was taken out and 30 liter of water was added to it, Mr. Sumit. Now, if the water was 34% of the resultant mixture, what was the initial quantity of mixture in the drum? So think about the question for 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Just think of it. A drum contains a mixture of milk and water in 22:8. Think of it. I can write, how to write down this one? And it is said that how many liters? 60 liter of mixture was taken out and 30 liter of water was added. Okay. Over. So here, now I notice that, can I consider this as 22x and 8x? Let the ratio be in the same way, 22x and 8x. So 60 liter of mixture was taken out. When you take out the 60 liter of mixture, how much milk and how much water? 22 plus 8, 30. 30 divided by 60, 1 part is 2. Then 22 part will be 44 here. And 8 part will be 8 to 16 here. That means you are taking out 44 liters from here. You are taking out 16 liters from here. Now it says that After that, if the water was 34% of the resultant mixture, so we are talking about this is milk and this is water, and this water is 34%, then what will be the percentage of milk? 100 minus 34, that is 66% will be the milk, right? So the milk will be 66%. Now you are asked to find out what is the initial quantity of the mixture. I need to find out 30 plus 8, 22 plus 8, 30x. Can we find it out now? Okay, let's do it now. I know that that is 22x minus 44 by 8x minus 16 is equal to 66 by 34. So that is 22x minus 44 by 8x minus 16 is equal to 66 by 34, which is 33 by 17. So this comes 33. So this will be 33 by 17. By cancelling this, you will get the answer for this. Anyone answer the question? Sai Andhra Pradesh. Okay. I didn't see it. Okay, thank you. So this is 33 by 17. Am I right here? So once I get the 33 by 17, you can find out the x value. Okay, anyone can give me the x value? By solving this, can you get the x value? Yes, come on Anusha, and the other platform, the people are giving 11. Yeah, that's right. I will take, I don't know whether you are right or not, so I will take the x is equal to 11. If the x is equal to 11 is correct, then what is the initial quantity of mixture? The initial quantity of mixture is 22 plus 8, Sai, 30x. And if what will be 30x? 30x should be 330. Do we have option? 330. That's your answer, my friend. Okay? अरे वाह अमन, आपके स्पीड को दाग देना पड़ेगा सर. Well done. Now, these all are the very frequently asked question for any competitive exams, SSC, CGL, banking, LSC, and all the other exams too. So, do I left the time? Exactly 12 o'clock. Can you give me permission for one more question, my friends? Yes? Shall I consider? Yes? Okay. One more question, and this is the last question for you. चलिए यहाँ पे. And this question is about a basket contains 144 liter of pure milk in which x liter is drawn off. आपने x liter निकाला and replaced with water. You pour the water in it. This process repeated one more time, right? So find the value of x if the final ratio of the milk and water is 8:10, and the most important question for the any examination. Please, you must know how to answer it. Chaliye, I will give 15 seconds for you to think about it. So x liter is drawn out. You know how to get this one. Use this formula. 2 seconds, 1 second, and time up. The last question for this class, my friends. So here, this is 144 into, that's 144 minus x by 144. So this is what the milk left, pure milk. And by the total quantity mixture is 144, because we are taking out the milk and then pouring the water. So the quantity becomes same. So this is the total quantity, and which is equal to, the ratio is 8 by 10. No, 8 by 18. So this is 8 by the total quantity. As this is total quantity is 18. Last question of the class. Chaliye, so I notice that this gets cancelled over here. I notice that this is 4 and this is 9. And it is how many times it's done? 2 times, so to the whole power n, 2. Whole power n, and here the n is 2. So when you take out the 2, it becomes square root, then it is nothing but 2 by 3. So I get this as 144 minus x, my friends, by 144 is equal to 2 by 3. Don't forget to join tomorrow's class. So 2 by 3, and with 3 when I cancel this one, so that's 3 4 is 12 and 3 6 is 24, and 26 and into 2, and that comes, will it be 92? Yes, this will be 92 when it comes over here. Write down this part. This is 92 over here. Then what is x? X is equal to 144 minus 92. That comes 2 and that's 5. 52, option A. Is it 48? क्या 48 हो रहा है sir? Oh, Mr. SK, very good afternoon and welcome to my is online class. My name is Narendra. Mr. SK, please do come tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock. So, did I made any mistake in the cancellation? So, let me just give me a few seconds, my friends. I will check this one, and this is the last question. So, you must be waiting for your special food at your home. So, this is nothing but 2 by 3. So, I will cancel this here. Mr. SK, आप भी देखिए sir. So that is with 3 4 is 12 and 3 6 is 24, and when I multiply these two, so 2 6 is 12, carry 1, and 8 plus 1 which is 9, and then x is equal to, okay, x is equal to, I notice that it is 52, is it not? Yes, 52. So 52 means option choice A. I made a mistake here. Sai is saying 48. Sai 48 elegant non wo. Where did I make the mistake? Aman, जरा बताएंगे सर कहाँ पे गलती हो रहा है? 144 by x by 144 that is equal to 2 by 3. That is correct. Where I am making a mistake here? With 3 this gets cancelled, and 46 and 46, oh my god. Okay, no, here also is correct. That is 2 6 is 12, carry 1, and 8 and 1 9, 92. Then when x will go over here, this is 552 should be the answer, option A, sir. I'm sorry, I wrongly put the option C. Okay, Anusha, not 46. Yeah, that's right. Anyhow, it's thank you very much for attending the class. And every day we will discuss the 11 to 12 o'clock, we will discuss the quantity aptitude. I request you to please come for any examinations we are preparing it. Initially we will discuss the prelim level, and later on we will discuss the main level also. With this, on behalf of ACE Online, I thanks all of you and all the best to all of you. Thank you very much. Done.